Which laser level for tile is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the real answers. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 that truly stand out. Product number 1, makeover self-leveling laser level. Let's start with the makeover self-leveling laser level. Priced at $39.99, it caught my attention thanks to its impressive specifications and bestseller badge. If you want a reliable tool that makes tiling a breeze, this is worth a serious look. So why should you care about this one? First off, it's got ultra-bright green beams that are 4 times brighter than standard red lasers. This means you can see it clearly even in bright rooms up to 100 feet. Plus, with an accuracy of plus or minus 1/9 inch at 33 feet, achieving professional-grade precision is simple. The 2-in-1 smart modes allow you to switch between self-leveling and manual modes, making it super versatile for different jobs. And with a sturdy tripod that extends from 15 to 46 inches, you can work comfortably at any height. All these features add up to a tool that really helps you get the job done right. Now, here's the thing. Some users mentioned that the tripod can feel a bit flimsy. I get it, the last thing you want is a wobbly setup. But honestly, as long as you tighten everything properly, you should be just fine. It's still a solid choice for most DIYers and pros alike. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a dependable laser level for tiling and other home projects. Skip this one if you need something ultra heavy duty for extreme conditions. For the price, the value is definitely there. Now, if that tripod issue gave you pause, the next product on my list might just blow you away. Product number 2, Tri Laser Level Line Tool. Next up is the Tri Laser Level Line Tool, available for just $9.95. This budget-friendly option really caught my eye with its high ratings and practical design. If you're looking for a straightforward and easy-to-use laser level, this is worth checking out. This tool is designed for indoor use and features a simple slider that lets you switch between vertical, horizontal, and cross-line modes. The included 8-foot measuring tape with both metric and imperial units is a nice touch too, making it a handy all-in-one tool for your projects. With over 15,600 reviews and a consistent 4.3-star rating, it's clearly popular for a reason. Here's why this matters for you. If you want something that's easy to operate and doesn't require a degree in engineering, this laser level is an excellent pick. However, some users have noted that it's not as bright as some of the more expensive models. I'll be real with you, it might struggle in well-lit conditions. But for indoor tasks, it should do just fine. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast on a budget. Skip this if you need something robust for outdoor use. For the price, it's a great value and a solid addition to your toolkit. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, makeover LLT2 Green Cross Line Laser. Now let's talk about the makeover LLT2 Green Cross Line Laser, priced at $28.99. This product really stands out with its combination of features and durability. If you want a laser level that's both portable and effective, this one is definitely worth a look. The accuracy of plus or minus 3 mm at 10 mm means your tiling will be spot on. Plus, with its dual functionality, self-leveling and manual modes, you can project lines at custom angles for sloped surfaces or creative layouts. On top of that, it comes with a magnetic bracket for easy placement. This matters for you because it offers flexibility for different projects, whether indoor or outdoor. Now, one thing I noticed is that some users reported that the magnetic bracket could be a bit tricky to set up at times. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it becomes a useful feature rather than a hassle. This is perfect for you if you need something that works well in a variety of settings. Skip this if you need something that's foolproof right out of the box. Overall, it's a great value for the features you get. If you're looking for something with even more features, the next product on my list might just fit the bill. Product number 4, WIDDW Laser Level with Tripod. Next, we have the WIDDW Laser Level with Tripod, priced at $69.99. This one really impressed me with its high ratings and all-inclusive package. If you want a laser level that can handle serious jobs, this is worth considering. It includes 2 lithium batteries that provide around 6-8 hours of use, ensuring it lasts through long jobs. The auto-leveling feature automatically corrects itself if there's a slight tilt, which is a huge help when you're trying to get everything just right. Plus, the included tripod makes it easy to set up and adjust as needed. Here's why this matters for you. It really simplifies the tiling process, especially in larger spaces. However, some users found it a bit heavy to carry around. I totally understand that if you're moving from room to room, weight can be a factor. But honestly, the performance you get makes it worthwhile, especially for bigger projects. This is perfect for you if you're doing extensive renovations or construction work. Skip this if you need something lightweight and ultra-portable. For the features, it's a solid investment. Now, if you're looking for something slightly more affordable but still effective, the next option might catch your interest. Product number 5, WIDDW Laser Level with Remote. Lastly, we have another offering from WIDDW, this time with a remote control, priced at $58.99. This caught my attention for its innovative features. If you want a laser level that offers more control during your projects, keep listening. The remote control makes it super convenient to operate from a distance, which is ideal for larger spaces. Just like the previous model, it includes 2 lithium batteries for extended use and auto-leveling functionality, making it easy to achieve accuracy without constantly adjusting. Plus, all of this comes in a compact size that's easy to store. This matters because it offers both convenience and efficiency, making your tiling tasks smoother. However, I noticed some users had issues with the remote not working consistently. Here's the thing though, if you don't mind a little manual adjustment now and then, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want extra control while working on larger tiling jobs. Skip this if you prefer a basic setup without added features. For the price, it's a solid value with a lot of functionality. To sum it all up, we've covered some solid laser levels for tiling. The makeover self-leveling laser offers great accuracy and brightness, while the Tri is perfect for budget-conscious DIYers. The makeover LLT2 shines in versatility, and the WIDDW models bring robust features for larger jobs. Whatever your needs, there's a top pick here for you.